I don't know if you can hear that, but the alarm is dying. I'll try and set it off. Killed it. So now, if we test this one, the other one I've got, works perfectly fine. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect it to 18 fucking volts straight away without breaking it in. I'm going to connect it to 18 volts. I'm just going to be pressing it together. I can't be bothered to mess around with it. Right. Yeah, ticking. It's trying to go off, but it can't. And it's just getting slower and slower. So, now I've seen these alarms, it's time to kill them. I'll remove my USB from that, don't want that anywhere near my experiments. And we're going to move over it. Maybe it might not be the smartest place to do it actually. Tell you what. May as well do it over this way, why not? Oh, nice. I think it's a fake marble. Yeah, I know there's flickers because the dimmers are so crap I'm going to replace, but in fact I have replaced the dimmer on this one. I don't think that's all the way out. Hang on. Right, here's 20 volts at 4 amps, I think. Quite a lot. What are you doing? I'm killing some fire alarms. What? I'm killing fire alarms, right? I'm going to kill them. Alright. Always do your connections before you energize, because you can mess things up. So I'm going to use my connector. So this one is the positive one, so we put it on here. So you guys want them probably to go up in smoke. I don't know if they're going to do that. I don't know how that's going to break them. I'll bring the microphone close. So I'm now going to plug it into the alarm. I'm going to have it facing upward and plug it in. I think that means the capacitor's going, doesn't it? Does it smell? Oh, it smells really good. It says what? Electrolytic. I think it smells like capacitors. Oh! That's the LED. Look what the LED's doing, look. That's a circuit board I can smell. Smelling really good. Gotta love how the LED's just turning on.